Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Zahra Chughtai from Home Love Lifestyle, and we are here today with a group of very inspirational women. They are one of Pakistan's female cycling teams, Bikistan Crank Addicts, and they have recently won the Women's National Cycling Championship. So let's meet them.
I'm Asma Jan, and I'm a mother of three, and I'm a life coach. I help people find their purpose and passion in life. I go by the name Clueless to Flawless, and Clueless to Flawless is actually my life journey of finding my own passion and purpose in life, and how I was led towards cycling, and how it became my passion bigger than any other thing that I've ever wanted to do.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Kanza Malik. I was the first one to join this team, Bikistan Crank Addicts, and we've come a long way since then for the past 2 years, mashallah. I, by profession, am a mechanical engineer, currently working as a corporate mom. I'm the mom of 2 beautiful children, mashallah se, and just hoping that we'll be able to succeed as we have been.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Zainab. I'm a mother of 3. Currently, I'm just cycling. I was working pre-COVID, but right now I've taken some time off.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Kokab, and I am a mother of a 10-year-old kid, mashallah se. Other than that, I am working for a corporate organization. It's been almost 6 months that I'm part of this wonderful competitive cycling team, and every day I'm learning, improving. Other than cycling, as an hobby and passion, I do running also. So these 2 fitness activities are like my passion.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sada Furqan. I've been an educationist for the most part of my life. Currently, I've taken a step back and enjoying my life at home. I'm a mother of 2 kids. My son is 21 years old and I have a daughter who is 11. And I started cycling a couple of years ago and been a part of this amazing team called Bikistan Crank Addicts for the last 1.5 years.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम उमेरा है और मेरे 3 भाई हैं, हम 2 बहनें और सबसे बड़ी मैं ही हूँ, और मैं मलीर का रहने वाली हूँ और मैं अभी 1 साल हो रहा है मैंने साइकिलिंग स्टार्ट किया और अभी मैं पाकिस्तान में हूँ। और अभी जो मैं पाकिस्तान की तरफ से खेल रही हूँ, उन लोगों ने मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया। अभी मैंने गोल्ड मेडल किया और एक ब्रॉन्ज भी लेकर आई हूँ।
How long have you all been cycling competitively as a team?
We started the hunt, me and Ali Ilyas, the team captain. We started the hunt about 2 years ago, and it was really difficult to get here with 6 extremely capable, extremely dedicated women. They were hard to find, and even if we did have good sportswomen, they probably could not invest that much time and dedication to it, and they had a lot of responsibilities. So as a woman who are married, which most of us are, and who have other responsibilities, it was really difficult. Actually, it was a struggle to get here where we are right now. And finally, I think now we have different specialists in the team with different strengths, and we bond very well together. And I think we've achieved the first milestone, which is the national championship, and inshallah there are many to come.
What does winning the nationals mean to you?
हमारी टीम को जेल होने में मुझे लग रहा था कि टाइम लगेगा, लेकिन नेशनल्स जब हमने जीते हैं तो हमें लगा कि नेशनल्स की वजह से हमारी टीम बॉन्डिंग बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गई थी। तो इट वाज एन इनक्रेडिबल फीलिंग। हम सब लोगों ने कंट्रीब्यूट किया था इस नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप को जीतने के लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट्स, बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी जैसे जान लगाई थी, एंड द रिज़ल्ट वाज फिनोमिनल. So the team captain Kanza got a gold and a bronze for the team. Humaira gold medal लेके आई हैं, and मैंने भी gold medal जीता है टीम के लिए. And as a team, we won the TTT, we won the team time trial, and we got the gold medal as a team as well. So this is an incredible team. This was reliving my grandfather Mehta Abdul Khaliq's legacy of being a champion cyclist, and it gave me the opportunity to live that dream.
How often do you train and how?
So we get our training plans from our coach. We get usually a week's plan in advance. They are uploaded on our app, and then we have to follow them. They're built in. They're structured plans. So there's a rest day, then there's endurance, there's tempo, there's threshold, so that we have different kinds of plans that we have to follow.
So a total of 5 days we have about of training, and as Zainab said, it varies in intensity. Kabhi very hard, kabhi recovery, etc. Very light training, and that is how I think you become stronger. The training includes basically for a layman power intervals. So आपको बहुत बड़ी individualized trainings होती हैं. हर एक बंदे का different power level है. उस power को आपको hit करके किसी टाइम में बीच में रेस्ट, फिर वो उसको वापस हिट करो. बेसिकली आप अपने हार्ट को प्रेशर दे रहे हो टू वर्क हार्ड देन रिलैक्स ताकि इट गेट स्ट्रॉन्गर.
हुमेरा, आपने टीम कैसे ज्वाइन की?
पहले यहाँ पर CBO में मैं ट्रेनिंग करती थी. मैं मतलब ये पूरी टीम को मैं देखती थी और मैंने खुद इन लोग को ढूंढा है. इन लोगों ने मुझे नहीं ढूंढा. और इसके बाद मेरा ट्रायल वगैरह हुआ, उसमें मैंने सही मतलब राइटिंग वगैरह किए. इसके बाद अभी मैं इन लोगों ने मुझे अपनी टीम में ज्वाइन कर लिया.
How do you all get along as a team and do you motivate each other?
The women's team had their nationals, participated in the nationals for the first time last year, very recently, and to be able to participate in those events, we had to train and come along together for almost every day. So we would train together, we would go for breakfast every day. We kept on motivating each other because that's really what we need while we are training. Because every day when you're out on the road, there are things that happen. We fall back, we fall behind. Sometimes the numbers are not what we expect. So the support of each other is really important. Not only in terms of that, but being females also, we support each other. We equipment and everything, training plans, everything. So that really helps and bring us together as a team.
How do you balance work, for home, family, everything?
It's not an easy task. जैसे अभी सबने अपने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी बताया, most of us are working and mothers except Humaira, who is the youngest team member. So you have to juggle. Being a mother, you want your kid to be the brightest kid. वो पढ़ाई में भी अच्छा हो, वो other activities में भी he or she needs to be the best. As a working person, you want, and these jobs are actually very demanding. Corporate organization, या कोई भी आप काम कर रहे थे, so you also want to give your best over there also. And when you are part of such a professional team, over there you have to give your best. It's a responsibility on you. मतलब अभी फजर की अजान के साथ ही we are up and you will see us on the roads. सुबह हम निकलते हैं. That's the time which suits us, most of us. उसके बाद आए, भागे ऑफिस के लिए, बच्चों को स्कूल के लिए तैयार किया, एंड देन टू ऑफिस, कम बैक, देन अगेन फैमिली टाइम. So it's not an easy, but the thing is it's your passion which comes from within you. Yeah. So if you are committed, if you are passionate, then I think there is nothing such thing which is impossible. You can do everything, but the commitment should be there.
What does cycling mean to you?
Cycling is my passion. Cycling is my hobby. Cycling is what gives me peace of mind. This is my me time for myself, because when I am out on my cycle, that's when I am mostly thinking. That's when I mostly reflect. If I don't cycle or work out any day, it's something as an important part of my life is gone missing.
When I started cycling, I really started enjoying, and it wasn't just कि थोड़ी देर के लिए. I would just go on, and I think I have the most hours in this team also, and the most kilometers, because I enjoy my bike time so much कि मैं वो end ही नहीं करती. I keep on going, so it's just amazing. It's an effort. Cycling के लिए आपको आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा आराम से लगता है to just get out on the road. उसकी प्री साइकिलिंग तैयारी इतनी ज़्यादा है, पोस्ट भी उतनी ज़्यादा है. आते जाने से पहले स्ट्रेचेस करने, आने के बाद स्ट्रेचेस करने, सर्टेन अमाउंट आपको खा के जाना है, आके खाना है. So you have to prepare your breakfast, you have to prepare your post-ride meal. तो काफ़ी, it's not just like if I'm going for an hour or 2 hour ride, it's like a 4-hour process for me. But even then, it's like very motivating and very satisfying. And I believe every day it's making me more confident, more braver, stronger. I'm on the road. The feeling to be riding a bike in Karachi on the road, it's just very liberating. And I just feel very good about myself end of the day.
तो अब पाकिस्तान क्रैंक एडिक्ट्स टीम ने माशाल्लाह आप लोग ने नेशनल चैम्पियनशिप भी जीती है. आगे के लिए व्हाट आर योर फ्यूचर गोल्स?
As a team, we have a lot of exciting goals and events coming up. Even as individuals, we have a lot of goals. So all of us have those personal goals at personal level. And then when it comes to the team, as I mentioned, we have an international Asian Games coming up in June, July in Dubai. We will participate in that. After that, there are some certain, so we all have specialists in the team. Some of us are specialize in climbing. Some of us specialize in straight roads, straight terrains. Within Sindh, we already have a lot of races about every month. We have something going on, and that gives us a lot of strategic practice as well, how to handle a team. So lots of stuff going on, mashallah. And I think cycling itself has become, finally in Pakistan, a very renowned, a very exciting sport, the way it is looked upon in the world.
As captain, what is your role?
I really like knowing if all of my girls are okay. So they see me being very motherly, very aggressively motherly, डांट रही होती हूँ, पीट रही होती हूँ, दोनों को जो मुझे वीकनेस नज़र आती है उनको बाहर ले जाती हूँ और कहती हूँ चलो ड्राफ्टिंग नहीं आती ऐसी की तैसी, तुम्हारी ड्राफ्टिंग नहीं आती, डरना बंद करो. So for me, I think the biggest role is to keep the team together, and especially when we attend races, to know कि किसका क्या role है, how we're gonna win this race, even many times who is gonna win this race, and how we are all gonna support that person. So as a team, I think that is our greatest strength, how we work as a team.
Do you have any message for Pakistani women?
हमारा थोड़ी सोसाइटी, थोड़ा कल्चर में थोड़ा मुश्किल है एक औरत के लिए बाहर आना और अपने पैशन को फॉलो करना, चाहे वो वर्किंग मॉम हो, चाहे वो होम मेकर हो, चाहे वो बच्ची हो, फ्रॉम अ प्लेस वेयर सपोर्ट इज़ हार्ड, यू नो, फ्रॉम अ डिफ़िकल्ट हार्ड बैकग्राउंड. कोई भी अगर वो बहुत चाहे और उसके अंदर इतनी डिटर्मिनेशन हो, वो बाहर जाके वो अचीव कर सकता है. हम सब वही लड़कियां हैं जिनको डर लगता था बाहर सड़क पे जाने, साइकिल के साथ, कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, लोग क्या कहेंगे, कैसे देखेंगे. आई थिंक वी आर लुक्ड अपॉन विद रिस्पेक्ट. We have achievements to show for it, and I think we can show ourselves as some of the strongest women in Pakistan. I think again as female, मेरी team तो we are all ready and available कि अगर आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत हो, support हो, तो please reach out and go for what you believe in. Inshallah, there is nothing that a female cannot do in Pakistan.
Whenever you feel and realize your passion, please go and pursue for that. Do not think is it the right time or is it late. मैं एज के उस हिस्से में हूँ, मुझे करना चाहिए या नहीं करना चाहिए. And this is I am saying with my own experience. I was kind of kid who has never done any kind of activity, sports in my childhood. I just started all of these activities 2-3 years ago जब मेरा अपना बच्चा 6-7 साल का था उस वक्त. So whenever you feel कि this is the passion and that's something which you are feeling from within you want to do it, please go for it. The other thing, especially to young girls, वो थोड़ा सा shy होती हैं कि ओ धूप में जाएंगे तो शायद complexion ये हो जाएगा, बाल ख़राब हो जाएंगे. These things happen, हम सबके होते हैं, डिफरेंट बॉडी टोन्स, कलर जो हम इसे कैरी कर रहे होते हैं, बट दैट्स कम्प्लीटली ओके. जब आपको मज़ा आता है अपनी अचीवमेंट्स का, ट्रस्ट में ये सारी चीज़ें सेकेंडरी हो जाती हैं. सो गो फॉर दैट.
ऑल्सो हम सोसाइटी में देखते हैं कि देर इज़ करंटली मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस की बहुत बात होती है. सो साइकिलिंग इज़ वन थिंग, और एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फिटनेस regime that you want to follow or pursue, it is one of the things that will provide a very positive outlet to any anxieties you have. आपको anxiety है, आपको depression है, there are family problems, there are issues that you have, so it will help you overcome that in a very positive way. You will be fitter, you will be stronger mentally and physically both.
मेरी तरह जितनी भी लड़कियां हैं कि वो बोलते हैं कि हमसे नहीं हो सकता, घर में कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा. पहली बात ये है, अम्मी अब्बू को तो मनाना पड़ता है, और जितनी भी लड़कियां हैं अपनी ख्वाहिश अपने दिल में मतलब दबा के नहीं रखे और बाहर निकले, अपनी ख्वाहिशात पूरे करें. ज़रूरी नहीं है जो लड़के हों वो अम्मी अब्बू के सपोर्ट करें. कुछ लड़कियां भी हैं जो अपने अम्मी अब्बू के सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं और अब्बू का हाथ बटा सकते हैं. लोगों का तो काम ही है बातें करना, और लोगों के बातें इग्नोर करो और इंशाल्लाह कोई भी हो आगे जा सकते हैं.
So a very big thank you to Team Pakistan Crank Addicts, and we wish them every success for the future and hope to hear lots of more wins and great achievements. हम सब पाकिस्तानियों के लिए और ख़ास तौर पे पाकिस्तानी औरतों के लिए आप बहुत बड़े आप लोग इंस्पिरेशन हो. Thank you very much.